Hey, it's Yaya. Today we're making a beginner-friendly strawberry lotion that may naturally brighten the skin, fight acne, and reduce signs of aging. I'm using some naturally derived inorganic ingredients from Essential Labs to make this lotion, including natural colorants and natural aromatic water. Thank you, Essential Labs, for sponsoring this video. So let's jump into the making of this quote-unquote natural strawberry lotion. Phase A includes the natural colorants beet juice powder and pomegranate powder, as well as vegetable glycerin. I am using 3 grams of each powder to create a light pink color for my strawberry lotion. You can also play around with the amount of powders used to get your desired color. Since these powders are water soluble, I am pre-dispersing them in vegetable glycerin to avoid clumping. Moving on, I am adding phase B to phase A to complete what can be considered the water phase. I am adding 168 grams of distilled water to start hydrating the powders. I'm following up with 60 grams of Strawberry Distillate. This is our natural aromatic water. It has a sweet and fruity aroma, which fits perfectly for this strawberry themed lotion. This distillate will give our lotion a beautiful aroma without the need to add additional essential oils or fragrance oils, making it ideal for those with sensitive or allergy prone skin. Now that phase A and B are combined, the water phase is complete. Set this to the side. We will soon heat it up to add it to the oil phase. Let's move on to the oil phase now. This will be phase C. Phase C includes the emulsifier and emollients, starting with 6 grams of petroleum methosulfate and cetyl alcohol. This emulsifier effectively combines water and oil together, as well as thicken the product. It is a great stabilizer for emulsions. It will be mainly responsible for the texture of this lotion. Next, I am adding 15 grams of MCT oil, which is a super versatile carrier oil widely used in hair and skincare products. Next, I am adding 15 grams of strawberry seed oil. This rich carrier oil has antioxidants and vitamins that work to brighten skin, improve skin elasticity, and repair damaged skin. Now I'm going to quickly melt my phase C before adding in the thickener. I am adding 1.2 grams of Hydroxyethylcellulose, or HEC for short. I'm adding the HEC to the melted phase C to pre-disperse it without hydrating it. This makes combining the oil and water phase so much smoother and less messy. I got this great formulating idea from the talented Marie from Humble B&Me. I highly recommend pre-dispersing water-soluble powders in the oil phase before hydrating them. Once the water phase is heated and oil phase is melted, we can now simply combine the water and oil phase together by adding phase A, B, and phase C. Use a high shear mixer or immersion blender to blend the two phases together. Remember, the mixture is still hot, so be careful when handling. As the product cools, you'll see the mixture start to thicken. This frothy cream on top is the HEC starting to hydrate. You just want to continue to blend and stir the emulsion until you end up with a smooth, rich, and creamy lotion. Once the temperature is low enough, you can add in your preservative. I used a full spectrum preservative from Essential Labs. I added benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, glycerin, and sorbic acid to protect my lotion since it is made up of mostly water. It is important to add a preservative to discourage microbial growth. You can easily mix the preservative into the lotion. The pH for this lotion fell right around a 4.5, which is pretty good and safe for this preservative. The pH level may vary depending on how much fruit powder is used. Once hydrated, fruit powder is naturally acidic and can lower the pH of the final product. And that's it. We have just made a beginner-friendly, mostly quote-unquote natural strawberry lotion. It smells wonderful and I am very happy with the texture of this lotion. I opted to put it in this really cute pink jar, but it will work just as well in a pump or squeeze bottle. I also love this color. Even though it is a tad bit lighter, it still reminds me of like a strawberry milkshake. I did make another formula using more of the fruit powder to create a deeper color, but it is still in its testing phase. Like I said, the pH is much lower with this formula, but the color is beautiful. Leave a comment down below if you would still like to see this version. The consistency is more free-flowing and it does have some slight stability issues, but I believe it will still be nice to share. I want to say thank you again to Essential Labs for sponsoring this video, and thank you to my subscribers for continuing to come back and support me. And I hope you guys enjoyed the formula. I hope you give it a try. Remember that the full list of ingredients and measurements is down in the description box below, as well as links to where you can find these amazing ingredients from Essential Labs. Again, don't forget to click on the link and thank Essential Labs for sponsoring this video. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.